first time we didn't remove or make the soap go down, so we left the room for about 5 minutes, and we came back and the entire room was filled with soap. And it was a big cleanup. So we put 100 milliliters of 10 milliliters of foam down for every 300 milliliters of fake waste. And then after that, it removes the salt, and it goes through a condenser that is filled with ice, and it goes back into a container. And after that, there's no soap, and there's no salt. And our next step is we remove the ammonia, and we use a bacteria called stability. It's actually found in fish tanks. So we thought that we could bring fish up to our movie, so we could get the bacteria from the fish tank. So that bacteria actually eats the ammonia. It's really cool. And it has to be moving the water, so we use a bubbler, and it moves it, and it has to stand there for 48 hours for all the ammonia to go. And after, we use pH press to correct the pH, and we can only put a very small amount in, because the pH press actually has salt in it. And we tried to correct the pH before we removed the salt, but for some reason it didn't work. That was one of our issues. And after one more time, we put it through the charcoal filter to remove the bacteria that was in the stability. And then we have clean, purified water. Part of the project involves how would we be able to use this on the roof.
We need a tower. So it would be about wind, but there's no atmosphere, so no wind.
Okay.
We tried water, but we can't do that either. We tried solar, and then there's solar panels that make electricity, or give direct sunlight to get make them down.
Okay, so why don't Tyler and Dana can explain what we did yesterday? We would probably use a direct solar, we would use direct solar heating for our project, because we wouldn't have to bring a lot of equipment up to the moon. And we actually, it was a beautiful sunny day yesterday, enjoyed hot dogs made on our solar grill, and cooked beans. We had another solar grill that we forgot to set up that we cooked beans in. And then this, Fiona will demonstrate. What did we do with those, honey?
We put the goggles on.
Because it's so powerful, you have to wear these special goggles.
We put a marshmallow on a stick, and then we put it at the point where the sun hits through the lens. And then you wait about like 5 seconds, and you could already see the smoke. It goes really fast, and especially on a hot, sunny day, it goes very, very quickly.
So this is it's called a Fresnel lens, and it's almost like a laser. The marshmallows would burst into flames after several seconds. It's really amazing for the children. So that's how we would power our water purifiers with solar energy. And we did something else, but we didn't think Marlene would want us to bring it into the museum. Is we made biogas. We actually were able to light a Bunsen burner with some horse manure, which we gathered. We collected the biogas into a Mylar balloon, and we were able to light a Bunsen burner. So it's really amazing. And those are the two options we thought to power our project up on the moon. We really think that solar energy is the way to go with that. Next, we are going to be presenting our project, as you said, directly to the NASA officials. On April 12th, we're going to do it right in the museum, and we're going to be on a webcast where we'll present our PowerPoint. And it was wonderful, too. The kids learned how to do PowerPoint in school. I was so impressed. They already knew. They taught me how to do it.
Okay, does the kids want to do anything more at this point, or do we want to have me around?